Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to active screensaver on Google Pixel. Let's have a look. For this video I am using Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. First, open Settings app on your Google Pixel. In Settings, tap Display and Touch. Now you need to scroll down and tap Screensaver. Turn on the button beside Use Screensaver. Now you can choose some screensaver option like Everyday Clock, Google Photos, Home Controls, Pilot Bold Clock or Pixel Weather. You can tap Preview icon or you can tap Customize icon to customize clock. For Google Photos, you can add album. That's it. Screensaver active. You can tap when to show, while charging or while upright and charging. So these are the steps to active screensaver on Google Pixel. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.